Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. After long gap, we will start a new topic, hormones. In this video, we will discuss about what is hormones and from where it secretes and what are the functions and many types of hormones. So let's start with its definition. So hormones are our body chemical messenger. Due to this secretion of hormones, it causes changes in our body metabolism. Okay, what is metabolism? Many chemical reactions occurs in our body, which is known as metabolism, like growth and development. Because hormones are present in secretes in our body, it changes the it changes our body metabolism. It may growth and development and many internal changes also appears. Okay, so they work slowly over time and affect many different processes including growth and development and metabolism. Means hormones will not secrete very fast or very slow, but it will secrete itself in a requirement base. Okay, over time means when it have to be secreted, it will be secreted on its particular time. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide where we will discuss about hormones of the body. Okay, many type of hormones are present in our body, and one thing more, one very important thing, hormones secrete from where? Okay, hormones are secreted from the glands. Glands are present in different parts of our body, and from that glands hormones are secreted. Okay, so from glands it releases hormone, and hormones are now surrounded by different nerve cells. Okay, hormones are surrounded by different nerve cells, and this nerve cells do? Okay, wait. What these nerve cells do? These nerve cells travel from the hormones from tissues to organs. Okay, this nerve cell transfer the hormones from tissues to organs. Clear? Then gland produce hormones. Hormones are surrounded by many nerve cell. From this nerve cell, the hormones travel from tissues to organ. Okay, okay, so let's talk about the hormones of our body. So first one is the hypothalamus. Okay, first one is the hypothalamus is present in our brain, and it is a hormones which secrete, and it helps to regulate the body temperature, heart rate and blood pressure. More amount of secretion of hormones may cause many problems. For example, if we are taking as an example of hypothalamus, if hypothalamus of it is a hormone and it was secreting in a more base, then what will happen? Our body blood pressure will be high, our heart rate will be high, and body temperature will be high. And if hypothalamus means these hormones are secreting in a very low manner, then what will happen? This blood pressure will be very low, the heart rate will be very low, and the body temperature will be very low. This may cause many types of diseases, and it is not good for health also. Okay, now pituitary gland, it consists of two lobes, anterior and posterior one. Okay, it causes posterior one. So anterior one secrete hormones which helps to, wait a minute. Okay, so anterior hormones secrete hormones which help for the body growth and development. Okay, whereas the posterior side of the pituitary gland secrete those hormones which helps through the reabsorption of water into the kidney. Okay, now pineal gland produce hormone melanin. Okay, melanin name of hormones produced by pineal gland, which plays a major role in the body sleep wake cycle. Okay, when we are sleeping, we got sleepy. How do we get that? Due to this secretion of hormones melanin. Okay, now thyroid hormone. started from where thyroid hormone secretes from the thyroid gland, and it produces three major hormone named as serotonin, triiodothyronine, which is also known as T3, and thyroxine, which is also known as T4. They help to regulate the body energy and metabolism, which is very important to our body. If our body energy and metabolism will not regulate and will not maintain, then it may cause many energy loss. Okay. Now next one is pancreas. Pancreas is present in the stomach, and it secretes two type of hormones, which is known as insulin and glucagon. Okay. So it regulates the level of glucose in the blood. Okay, what it do is it regulate the glucose level of in the blood. In blood, glucose is important. More glucose may be harmful and less glucose may be harmful. Okay, so pancreas secretes two hormones which maintains the level of glucose. Okay. Now next one is hormones. Hormones is next hormone we are seeing, adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is secretes two hormones, adrenaline and cortisol, which reacts to the stress. Okay, which reacts to stress. If we are taking more stress, then this hormones will, the secretion of these hormones will increase. Okay, and if we are not taking that much stress, these hormones will be maintained in our body. Okay, therefore doctor always says that we should maintain our hormone level, and if we are not taking that, if we are taking more stress, that it may cause to depression and panic attacks also. Therefore we should be careful. Okay, now next one is ovary and testis. Ovary is a female gamete, ovary is a female reproductive organ, and it secretes estrogen and progesterone, which helps in the health of the female reproductive system. Some hormones secrete at a particular age time. Okay, it will not secrete always, but in a level time. Okay, so what it was, like ovary, it after a female age was 14 to 15, it started secreting, and it may, and we can see many type of changes in the body. Okay, internally we can see menstruation cycle start up, and in physically we also see many type of changes in the body. Now in testis, in male, it secretes testosterone, which is vital for the physical development, and like for example beard growth and many things we can see in the physical development of male. Okay, after a particular age. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.